Connect the app. Method 1. Connect your receiver to the TY01 app. During pairing, select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network instead of 5 GHz, as 5 GHz networks will prevent successful pairing. 1. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. 2. Add device. 3. Maintain continuous pressure on the back button for 5 to 10 seconds.
Waiting for configuration.
4. Connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. 5. Waiting for the app to add the receiver. Method 2. Add different buttons. 1. Press the call button. 2. Add button. 3. Press the call button. 4. Add different buttons.